Another day, another video. Will Bitcoin will drop again? Which is the best crypto trading platform for you? And how to predict Bitcoin price movement? These all important topics will be covered in this video. If you have missed the last uploaded videos, you can go and check very important updates related to the cryptocurrency. You guys can connect me on these three channels: Amit and Crypto, Crypto Point Marathi, Smart Trades for the regular cryptocurrency updates. Now first let's take a look how Bitcoin price is doing here. Will Bitcoin drop again or not? Let's understand technically. This is daily time frame. We had captured some support and resistance which will help us to analyze more better. In this situation, 73k level is working as a resistance level and 60.9k level is working as a support level. In this situation guys, price should stay above these supports in order to consider this support, right? If day candle is closing above this, or you can say a wick generating like this and closing here, then we can consider one more uptrend movement can be done in this Bitcoin price. By technically we just have to wait for this daily closing. If daily closing is happening above the support level, then definitely we can see a price movement, or simply we can say a range market at this support level. During this range market, we can consider good growth in altcoins if BTC is staying in between this range. So that's why we have to wait patiently for this day closing, or you can wait for one more day candle to confirm this trend is reversing from that support level. I hope you guys are signed up on Bitmart, the best cryptocurrency trading platform for the beginners. Bitmart is here guys. You can sign up on Bitmart. Link is provided in the video's description. 1500 plus cryptos are available for you. Apart from trading, you can engage in event center to enhance your reward system. Here we go, lot of events are coming on daily. I have alerted you about these 6 years Beat Smarter event for you. Here we go, still 11 days are left to participate in this event. More details you will get once you click on this event link. You can also use P2P trading to convert your INR to USDT, so you can easily exchange your cryptocurrencies. You can trade spot trading on this cryptocurrency trading platform. Spot trading is recommended for the beginners guys. If you are beginners, then definitely you can go with the spot trading first. Do not go with the margin trading and futures trading. Directly you cannot go on the futures trading as well as margin trading. Take experience, learn from the spot trading, market analysis, then only you are going to go with the spot trading only. After gaining experience in spot trading, you can move on the futures trading as well as multiple margin options are available for you. Now we have understood what are the expected movements in BTC price. Now I am going to share you insights of the prediction, how you can predict the Bitcoin price movement. Here we go. Insights, every candles there is a specifications of the buyers and sellers. Let's say this one is the red candle. This wick indicating the buyers are entering at the support level. It means limit order has been already placed here, or you can say market order has been already clicked at this point. After gaining market orders or limit orders of the buyers, then this is became like this shape. it doesn't mean there are only sellers. It means buyers are also included at this point because of this V candle. Here we go. First we understood at this support we have seen a good strength of the buyers. That's why this level can be considered for the buyers, and we had captured this red line for the buyers. Now next, if this candle is closing above this support level, or you can say a wick is generating like this and closing like this, have possibilities price can move to the reversal point, price can go to the upper direction. So wicks are so much important. This indicates where actually buyers wants to stretch the market, where actually sellers wants to stretch the markets. In this case guys, if this candle is closing with wicks, then we can see 80% of the surety price can, next candle can open above this support, next day can start on this support, and market still can go to the upper direction. Wait patiently for the candle formation. After this candle formation, we can flip to the 4-hour chart to understand where actually we can take a trade. I have shared some trades with you. These two coins are actually at the buying zone. If you want to buy this coin, you can buy, but make sure to use stop losses in every opened trades. Here we go, two coins are ready to fly. You can check this video. I will ping the video link in current videos I button. I hope you guys are understood how to predict the Bitcoin price movement. Wicks are so much important in order to predict the market. If price is generating wicks like this, then we can expect a reversal. Even if price is creating a stronger candle at this support, still we can consider the next candle can be a weaker candle or reversal candle. So these are the most important ways to predict the Bitcoin price movement. We have to wait patiently whether this candle is closing or not. Before almost every reversal, we can see a weak candle. Weak candles will show us a buy pressure. Here you can see if wicks are generated at the resistance level, then this is indicating the seller's pressure. If wicks are generating at the support level, then it is indicating the buyer's pressure. We will be analyzing step by step candlesticks in coming videos. You have to stay tuned with our videos, with our channels, in order to understand how to predict the market, how you can actually predict the market, how actually you can predict the Bitcoin price movement. I hope you guys are understood today's episode. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video.